Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another recipe video of what I'm going to make my brother for lunch today for school. Today I'm going to be making some egg fried rice with some chicken. I'm not sure yet, but I want to make the chicken fried or baked. But depending on how much time I have, we're gonna see. Anyways, yeah, this is all I'll be making. With some mixed vegetables, onions, garlic. I finally took my garlic out the freezer. Eggs, of course, some green onions, and rice. This is like rice from last night. It's not a lot left, so I was like, yeah, I might as well just make this to make the rice, you know. And here we have some wings. So chicken wings and fried rice, chicken wings and fried rice. Again, I'm talking too much. I'm just showing you the seasoning I'm gonna be using on this, you know. Not too much, not too much. And here are the seasonings that I'm gonna be putting on the chicken and in the rice as well. Yeah, not too much. Of course, MSG, most of you guys know it as Ajinomoto. That's the other word for the MSG. Ground black pepper, pink salt, aloha soy sauce. I love the soy sauce a lot. And the garlic powder and a bit of crushed pepper. Trust me, it works, okay? It works. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is wash the chicken. Because, you know, you don't want all that bloody stuff. You know, yeah, I don't want none of that on my chicken. And after I wash it first, I'm going to season it up and put it in the air fryer so it can cook internally. After it cooks internally, I'm take it out, and I'm going to put it in the oil. So I'll be showing you guys the step by step. Just watch and do the same thing I did. If you've seen my videos of my other fried rice, you will know that I always boil my mixed vegetables. So while I'm preparing the other things, I put the mixed vegetables first in some water and let it boil up. Now my chicken is washed and shaken. Let's do this. Now my chicken is washed and seasoned. I am going to put it in the air fryer. What's the word? Yes, I poked some holes in here so you know it can cook internally. Yeah, let me just put it in here. Honestly, well, like that. I'm gonna let it cook. And as always, it's on 360. Like you see that the wings, 360. And the automatic time setting for this is 25 minutes for chicken, but it's not gonna spend all the 25 minutes in here. I'm gonna keep checking on it constantly. And now my onion, green onions and regular onions done. Don't ask me why I have this two small thing in this big plate. Honestly, I don't know, but we move on, okay? We go on. I was honestly debating whether I should cook the rice in the fried rice in the wok or the frying pan, but the rice is not that much, so I'm just gonna use the frying pan instead. Yeah, that's how I check that it's hot. Or sometimes I smell the pan and then I put the oil in it. But first thing first, I'm gonna show you what I did. Start with the eggs. And for my eggs, I'm going to season it, of course, some black pepper. I just put 2 eggs, as you can see. So that was the rice. It just got done in a microwave. Yes, I needed that to be in a microwave. Wait, I think I forgot to put salt on my chicken. Oh well. if he's gonna survive. There's soy sauce on there already. Yes, a little bit of garlic powder as well in the eggs. See, most of them are just a little bit. And chili flakes. And you want to cook the eggs like you're cooking scrambled eggs. So that's pretty much how it's going to look. It should be separated, remember? It's separated like that. And now that I'm done with the eggs, I'm gonna do the mixed vegetables and then put the rice in. And now my mixed vegetable is already cut, so I'm gonna just put this in the wok directly. I'll show you what I did. Okay, so this whole time I thought I was filming, but my phone was not recording. I was just gonna show you guys. Well, first I put in the garlic, fry the garlic up a little bit, and then put in the mixed vegetables, and then added some seasoning onto it. I totally didn't show that part because I thought my phone was recording, but it was not. And now I'm just gonna dump the rice on it. Hold on. Soy sauce. This soy sauce brand, it's not salty. As you can see, it says lower salt. It's not salty. Okay, it's got like a sweet taste to it, and that's how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna lower myself because I don't want to burn his eyes. There's not a lot of oil. I didn't really put much oil in it. That's why it looks like this. Now that I stir it up, I'm gonna add the eggs and the green onion. Also, what I always say is make sure you taste it and season it according to your appetite or your palate. No, so because everyone else just bought this the same. It's pretty much how it will look. How it should look if you do it the right way. This is light and easy. A 12-year-old can do this 100%. So make sure you put them in the kitchen on the weekend so they can make this for you. Just kidding. But as you can see, that's the rice, that's the final product, that's how it's gonna look. And always, I taste my food over here, like I said. We do not feed people stuff. We don't eat ourselves. That's retarded. Yeah. Yep. And that's it. Fried rice is complete. Period. And now look at the chicken. It is cooking so well in here. You see that all the blood's coming out. Means it is on the right track. Yeah. This, I know I'm playing with it. I'm just gonna turn it around. So I'm trying to do. And then, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put this in the oil anymore. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Yeah, because it looks pretty good to me. It should look good to you. Because look at that. So beautiful. And so far, there's only 8 minutes left. So 25 minus 8, you figure that out. That's okay. I'm gonna let it cook for the entire time. Technically, the entire 25 minutes. I'm gonna let it cook for that. And now I am just going to plate up this into his lunch kit. And these are what I'm gonna be packing. No snacks. And then the chicken will be there later. But you can check out the full reel. Okay, so technically the chicken cooked for all of the 25 minutes on 360. And this is how it looked. Oh my god, that looks so beautiful. Yes, I flipped it a couple times so make sure it was good. Look at this. I'm kind of drooling, but I can't eat that. Oh yeah, and also wait and see whether he's going to finish the food after this video. Look at that. That looks beautiful. You wouldn't eat this? You wouldn't eat this? Yeah, keep lying. And look at that. That's pretty much it. That is cooked to perfection. Okay guys, we just got back from his school. We had to do a lot of grocery shopping as well. And I'm just going to show you guys whether he finished the lunch. What do you think? Did he finish it? Did he not? Let's see. Oop. Can he get all the biscuits and the juice? It wasn't much, but he did eat it. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, there goes that smell. It smells so good. And he ate everything. This time he did not leave the bones in the bowl. Thank God. Because the last time this boy came home with a chicken bone that he cleared off in the bowl. And I thought that was really funny. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing much to say. Just thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next. Hello? Do you want to fight? On the next video. Hello? Period.